Good morning, guys. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, who all are here? Amila, Milan, Haya, Ihan.
Hi, ma'am.
Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Yes. Amila, is your mama available today? We have to inform her regarding the assessment, right? And
Ma'am, I'm sorry. Let me talk. I just want somewhere else.
I didn't hear
Ma'am,
anything.
let me ask her. Let me ask her.
Haya was like boom, 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 boom. She ran.
Ma'am, I off my camera because I want to do something.
Okay. Hi, Ihan. Hi, Milan. Milan. I didn't get the information regarding when I can meet your dad. Did you inform him?
I did.
And what did he say?
He told he'll do it, but one sec. Abhilasha, ma'am.
Yes, Haya.
You know why I off my camera? Because usually in morning I wake up at 9 something 50 or something, and then I go. First thing I do is brush my teeth. Then I go and put my face in iced water with water and ice, so I feel refreshed every day.
That's good.
Then I go to do my hands.
Okay, I want you to inform one thing to Mama.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't. I know you are thinking of taking a TC this year, right?
What does that mean?
Transfer certificate. You are looking for a school, other school, right?
Yeah.
So she has to inform the office now. Okay.
That I'm going to another school.
Yes. So then only by the end of March, as soon as your prelim and project are over, you can get the TC.
TC. Okay, I'll just inform her now.
Mom, wait. The school will close.
No, no, the school, the school, no, she's trying to take a TC, so that's only applicable for her.
I'm going to.
I'm not gonna take TC. I don't want to go. I don't want to be walking because I'm just going to chill here sitting in my seat.
It's only for those who are planning to shift to different schools.
I don't want to go to
Because because of every day of the screen, I also ordered glasses.
Yeah, please inform Mama now itself, otherwise you will forget. That much I know. Amila, what happened? Is Mama ready? It will just take 3 to 4 minutes. Quickly, okay?
Like my mom's sleeping.
I'll just add you. Haya, did you inform Mama?
No, no, let me go in and mom's sleeping. My neck.
When can I meet your Mama? I have to meet her. When else is possible? This is very important. This is regarding your assessment. All the other parents I know. Only you and Milan are left.
My mom is free tomorrow.
Tomorrow is our assessment day, right? Tomorrow full day I have assessment.
Let me
Tomorrow
ask one more time.
Yeah. See if she's available for 2 minutes. Or Papa is there. If Papa is also fine. If Papa there,
Yeah. Papa, she's coming. 1 minute. Wait.
till then others, boys, did you think which theme project you are going to present? You have to tell Shiny ma'am today which theme project you are going to present for the project assessment.
Whoa, that's so fun.
You have to inform today.
In Canada?
No, not in Canada. Remember last theme we did a solar system model. Similarly, before that also we did. So one theme project you have to take and present.
Oh my gosh. I don't understand.
So that's only I want to talk to your mama
let me ask
So
her
we
one
can
more
also make a
question.
3D model or a paper drawing.
Yes, Haya?
We can make a 3D model or a paper drawing.
Not a paper drawings. Do you remember project? We did project in all the themes. Last
Yeah,
time
we
when
did a
I was
solar
there,
system.
we wrote about solar system. Then we made a project of solar system. You all made a project. So three themes are there. 6, 7, 8. All the three themes you made one project. Any one of this theme, any one. You don't have to take all three. Any one
Anyone.
of this theme you have to present when the school
Six.
give. Yes.
So
Ma'am, so we
7,
can
8.
choose. We can also choose. Can we like choose the thing that we already made? Like
Yes. You made a solar
I'm
system.
gonna,
You can use that.
I'm gonna choose the solar system.
Yeah. Remember, along with that English math part is there. That should also that Canva will be there with you, right? Take that.
Ma'am, so
Yes, Milan.
all are in the science English war.
Yeah, all the project will be there in either your English classroom or science classroom. Their
Okay.
title project will be given, right? In that you can find out your projects.
Ma'am, now can we discuss about our crystals? We have 2 minutes.
Crystals? What crystals?
Yes, our crystals and our signature.
You're talking about solar crystals?
No.
Ma'am, can I ask
Like
you?
Leo
Yeah, that's what I said.
Uh,
Your
with
Hi,
the
sign.
wait.
crystals. With
Ma'am,
the
can I ask you
crystals.
something? Is Survival Secrets of the Wild theme 8?
Sorry?
Survival Secrets of the Wild is theme 8.
English you didn't take?
Ma'am, she's coming.
Okay.
Oh,
Ma'am, she's coming.
that's
Ma'am,
nice.
how about the crystals?
I'll tell you 1 second. Let's see. What is your sign, Haya?
Leo.
Leo, right? Leo's crystal is there's a stone called as pyrite, labradorite. They're like very shiny stones.
Labradorite?
Huh. One is hematite. Search hematite.
So,
Hematite.
how many crystals does Leo have?
Three have one major. One is hematite.
I'm gonna
Ma'am,
search
can I make
Leo.
another present? Ma'am, can I make a wait? Do we have to? Can we do in Canva?
See, project doing is actually you have to do. It's not Canva work. When we present along with that work, we present it on Canva. Do you remember last thing we did? You made a solar system and everything you compiled on the Canva. So project should be there. You have to show that project. Not take
Ah.
pictures and copy, paste the information. No, that is not project.
Well, what if I draw the pictures, take a screenshot, put in Canva, and write my own?
Has Shiny ma'am asked you to draw in the project? Because the one that I never
Can I
asked
ask? Can I ask?
you can ask Shiny ma'am, yes. Amila, mama's
Okay,
there.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can you wait?
Guys, I have to meet Amila's mama. I'll just come quickly, okay?
Wait 1 second, 1 second.
Amila, you can join the breakout room.
Yeah. Ma'am, can I say something?
Not right now. Where's Amila?
I don't know.
She's not here. And she's not there in the breakout room as well.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, what is it?
My crystals are sunstone, citrine, tigers are pyrite, and amethyst.
You have so many.
Yeah, that looks so cool. But I didn't know I have amethyst.
Pager should be available at that time.
First
That's
favorite.
fine. Okay. Bye everyone. Have a
I
nice
forgot other
Hi,
people.
ma'am. Have a good day.
Hi, ma'am. Morning. Aisa, I'm forgetting after Anjali breaking.
Bye, ma'am.
Love you.
Bye, ma'am. 2 minutes, okay? Give me 2 minutes. I'm in another class also. I have to send them away, then only I can be kept quiet to 50 minutes.
Let me see, Zamina.
Yes. Where are we?
I was telling about that my sister has the amethyst, and now I am glad I have an amethyst as well because I was kind of jealous that he had an amethyst because it was my first favorite.
Okay, that's nice. Who's supposed to join here in the first hour?
Shiny magazine.
Shiny ma'am.
The all hour is shiny map.
All the hours are shiny ma'am. 1 second, let me make sure.
Ma'am, what do you say for the thing like the how to find our
Ma'am,
science?
it's like science, English.
Ma'am. Where is she? Where is she?
Ma'am, it's like shiny map.
Yeah, I'm calling her. I'm calling her. She will join. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes. Ma'am will be here. Ma'am will be coming in PYA1. 1 second, guys.
Ma'am, my mother's zodiac sign is Cancer.
Dancer, okay, Amila has joined. 1 second. Hello, Amila.
Yeah,
Can
okay.
you hear me? Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ മാം? Where is she here?
Wait a minute.
Amila, you can just ask Mama to come. You can sit outside. Because we have classes going on, right?
Yeah, okay. My mom is here.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
Good
ma'am.
morning. അതില്ലേ ഈ മാസം 23rd to 27th അടുത്ത് എൻഡ് ടേം അസസ്മെന്റ് ആണെന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞ തീമിൽ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ലെന്നോ കഴിഞ്ഞ PTM-ല് ഒരു റിട്ടേൺ എക്സാമിനേഷൻ ഇല്ല പ്രൊജക്ട് പ്രസന്റേഷൻ ആണല്ലോ അപ്പം ഇതിന്റെ 6, 7, 8 മൂന്ന് തീമിനും പ്രൊജക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു പ്രൊജക്ട് അവർക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള പ്രൊജക്ട് പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യണം അതിന്റെ ബേസിൽ വൈവ ഉണ്ടാവും വൈവ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കുക ആ തീമിന്റെ ബേസ്ഡ് കാരണം ഈ സാറ്റർഡേ തൊട്ടിട്ട് നമുക്ക് വീണ്ടും 1 വീക്ക് വെക്കേഷൻ ആണല്ലോ പിന്നെ 23rd വരിക അപ്പൊ 23rd to 27th ഇടയ്ക്കാണ് ഇത് നടക്കുക അപ്പൊ കുട്ടികളോട് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കുട്ടികൾ ചിലപ്പോൾ മറന്നു പോകും അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇപ്പൊ മാമിനെ വിളിച്ചത് ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്നും കൂടി ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് പക്ഷെ ബൈ ചാൻസ് അങ്ങനെ മറന്നു പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എൻഡ് ടേം അസസ്മെന്റ് മാർക്ക് ആണല്ലോ കയ്യിൽ നിന്ന് പോകാണ്ടിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് റിമൈൻഡ് ചെയ്തേ പ്രൊജക്ട് പ്രസന്റേഷൻ ഉണ്ടാവും അതിന്റെ ബേസ്ഡ് വൈബ് ഉണ്ടാവും എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വാട്സാപ്പ് ചോദിച്ചാലും മതി
ഇവിടെ നെറ്റ്വർക്കിന്റെ ഒരു ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ട് അപ്പൊ മാം പറഞ്ഞത് ക്ലിയർ ആവാൻ കുറച്ച് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ട് വോയിസ് ഇട്ടാൽ മതി
താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് മാം
ഓക്കെ താങ്ക് യു
ബൈ അമില
Bye, ma'am.
Oh no, I was about to kidnap your kids.
take them ma'am have fun enjoy
Where is Amila? Okay. Amila, can you join in that link?
hi you've been such nice kids oh my god how is this possible
Good morning, ma'am. You're the nicest kids.
good morning
Morning, ma'am.